Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Tube. In this video, we are going to show you the top 10 amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. It can help you detox. As a part of balancing the body's pH, apple cider vinegar creates an oral detoxification of the body. It can help stimulate cardiovascular circulation and help detoxify the liver. Number 2. Boost energy. If you are feeling tired, don't reach for a chemical-filled energy drink. Instead, grab a bottle of apple cider vinegar for instant energy boost. The potassium and enzymes in apple cider vinegar helps you to boost the energy. Just add some apple cider vinegar to a glass of water during workout to prevent fatigue. The amino acids in apple cider vinegar combat lactic acid buildup that can happen after exercise. Number 3. Reduces swelling. Rubbing apple cider vinegar onto your swollen hands or feet reduces swelling, a wonderful thing during pregnancy. Number 4. Prevents candida and normalizes intestinal bacteria. Apple cider vinegar is full of beneficial acids which are believed to help improve your intestinal flora. These include acetic acid and malic acid, which have antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties and can help you control the spread of the candida fungus in your intestines, a common problem with many people who consume high sugar diets. Number 5. Balance your digestive system. Apple cider vinegar may help to fix your digestive issues. To reduce gas, dilute a tablespoon of enzyme-rich apple cider vinegar with a cup of water or tea and drink before a meal. This will also combat constipation, since the vinegar stimulates digestive juices that help your body break down food. You can also take a dose as soon as you feel heartburn symptoms. Some theories suggest that heartburn occurs because of low stomach acid levels. Vinegar helps to bring that level up. Number 6. Weight loss. Consuming apple cider vinegar can help you feel more full, which can help you eat less. A study has also shown acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar help to slow down fat accumulation. If the flavor is too strong for you to sip on its own, try adding apple cider vinegar to juices, salad dressing and even water to incorporate it into your diet. Number 7. Good for your lymphatic system. Vinegar helps to break up mucus throughout the body and cleanses the lymph nodes. Research suggests that apple cider vinegar can help with allergies because of its ability to reduce mucus and sinus congestion. When reducing the effect of allergies, it can also help to prevent sinus infection and the related symptoms such as sore throat and headaches. Number 8. Helps to get rid of hiccups. Hiccups are often caused by either low stomach acid production, which delays the digestion of protein, or eating too much. Apple cider vinegar can be a great solution for hiccups. It restores the acid balance in the stomach and eases irritating spasm of the diaphragm. Number 9. Prevents bad breath. Due to acidic properties, apple cider vinegar makes a wonderful remedy for bad breath. Simply add half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a cup of water and gargle the mixture in your mouth for 10 seconds at a time until the cup is empty. Number 10. Combats leg cramps. Many people suffer from painful nighttime leg cramps. Apple cider vinegar's rich mineral content helps reduce frequency, intensity and pain of the leg cramps. When cramping occurs, simply sip some apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of warm water. Within a few minutes, the cramping will diminish. Moderation is the key to healthy living. Overconsumption do more harm than good. To know more about recommended daily intake, please click on the link in the video description below. What is your opinion on this? Please let us know on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.